morning. We are the Group 5. So, for today's video, we tackled about information control in digital rights management, including number 1, define digital rights and explain what digital rights management is. 2. Discuss and explain the techniques designed to control access and reproduction of online information such as encryption, serial keys or product key or serial key, scrambling, and tag embedding or metadata.
So what is digital rights management? Digital rights management is the use of a set of access control technologies to protect, control and manage access to copyrighted material. This approach includes the use of technologies that limit the copying and use of copyrighted work and proprietary software. The importance of digital rights management is enable musicians, authors, filmmakers, programmers, and other content creators to clarify and control what people can and cannot do with their content. It also allows them to protect their copyrighted material, protect the creative and financial investment they make in their work, and make it impossible for their media to be stolen or illegally shared.
How DRM works. Set, restrict, or prevent users from editing or saving your content. Restrict or prevent users from sharing or forwarding your product or content. Expiry dates on media which prevent access to users beyond that date or limits the number of times they can access it. Watermarks, artworks, and documents in order to establish ownership and identity. Methods used by DRM tools to protect materials. Digital asset management platforms allows organizations to control access to any copyrighted material. They do this in several ways, including digital watermarks, metadata, license agreement, and embed codes. So what is digital watermarks? Digital watermarks are steganographically embedded within audio or video data during production or distribution. Second is metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is a digital assets have metadata that enables their copyright and licensing information to be captured and monitored. And the third one is license agreements. License agreements is organizations by requiring users to read and agree to their end user license agreement, or in short, EULA. And the last one is embed codes. So what is embed codes? Embed codes is content owners can also use embed codes that control how and where their media is published online.
Encryption. Encryption alters content in a way that means that it can be used without first decrypting it. Encryption can ensure that other restriction measures cannot be bypassed by modifying software. So, DRM system typically rely on encryption in addition to other techniques. An early example of a DRM system is the Content Scramble System, CSS, employed by the DVD Forum on DVD movies. CSS uses an encryption algorithm to encrypt context on the DVD disc. Manufacturers of DVD players must license this technology and implement it in their devices so that they can decrypt the content. Encryption can protect information when storing or transferring records between different network environments or devices. It is not a long-term solution for restricting access to or protecting information due to its level of risk. You must manage encrypted records to ensure their ongoing readability.
How does a software license key work? A software license key, or also known as a product key, certifies that a copy of program is original. It is usually a unique string of numbers and characters, and online activation or calling home is often required in order to verify that two identical product keys are not being used at the same time. Some of examples of product key includes fingerprinting, digital watermarks, and rootkit software. Product key is a common online use is for the digital content to be written in code that can only be read or unlocked by specific software or devices. This approach to copy protection is known as scrambling.
Serial key, a string of characters or equivalent access code that be input into a program in order to activate it. Why is serial key used?
Scrambling is a digital encoding technique that is used in modern data communication schemes and can specifically provide aid in retrieving information from received data, enhancing synchronization between the transmitter and the receiver. But we can use a technique called scrambling to assure that even if the sender sends a long sequence of zeros, scrambling is generating a 48-bit secret key code control word from the data stream. Scrambling is a binary bit level processing applied to the transmission rate signal in order to make the resulting binary sequence appear more random.
Tag embedding. Tag in HTML is used for embedding external applications which are generally multimedia content like audio or video into an HTML document. It is used as a container of embedding plugins such as Flash animations. This tag is a new tag in HTML5 and it requires only starting tag. First, height. This attribute contains the attribute value in pixel. It is used to specify the height of the embedded content. Second, SRC. SRC is used to hold the URL. It is used to specify the web address of the embedded content. Third, width. The width value it is set in pixels. It is used to specify the width of embedded content. Last, type. It contains the media type of content. It is used to specify the media type of the embedded content.